Today, my goal is really simple. I want to start the car. Everybody loves those first start videos, don't they? I mean, I certainly do. One small problem. Yeah, that's not going to happen, but I didn't know that yet. I really don't know a lot about how this car works, and at this time, I really didn't have a shop manual. So I just poked around in the engine bay and tried to figure out how all this stuff worked. This car has good oil. Too good, actually. It's a bit suspicious how good looking this oil is. From just a preliminary glance through the radiator fill cap and pulling off that hose to check out the barb, I can already tell this isn't going to go well. But, might as well keep going. Can't make it too much worse, I don't think. I mean, it's not in great shape to begin with. I haven't seen this style really anywhere else. I'm stuck with this one for now, and of course there's a leak somewhere. Luckily, all it took was tightening the bottom hose clamp on the radiator to stop the leak. So I started building a simple little circuit that would let me fire the starter without having keys. Because I still don't have keys for this car. I have blanks, but haven't exactly figured out if I even have the original ignition yet. Even weeks after finishing filming this, I still have no idea how to get good shots of the inside of the engine bay. So you'll just have to watch me struggle. This car is really weird. There is no inner fender liner I can remove. That just is the engine bay, and it's in the way for the most part. I flipped the switch and the solenoid did the thing it was supposed to do, but the motor didn't, so we got no crank. I still have really no idea why it didn't do anything, and I certainly didn't then either. So I had to get to the bottom of that, and I really have no idea how to get to the starter, so I'm just going to take everything off. You know what? I don't want to deal with this starter today. Getting to that thing is such a pain. I guess I'll just play with the air filter. It's pretty neat, even though it's all stuck together. I'll deal with the starter next time, and boy, is that a saga.